Here we are, almost 2 weeks into the new year. Are you still on fire with your dreams and with the goals that you set for this year? I want to give you a few tips on how to get some instant energy for your dreams as life starts to get busy, and it's really easy for those dreams and those goals to start to fade into the background. And one of the tips to really get you reconnected to your vision and turn up that desire is to be inside of a group of people who are also on fire with their dreams. And as you surround yourself with other people who are building their dreams, who are excited about what they're creating, that energy rubs off on us. And there'll be times where you're more passionate, you're more excited about what you're creating, and you'll be able to give back to your community and help to inspire them. It's one of the benefits of the Vision Workshop when we come together in community and we start asking this question, what would I love? And the energy in the room, both in person or virtually, is so powerful. And it gives us this excitement and this momentum to keep moving forward. I can't wait to be with you in a couple of weeks for the Vision Workshop. And again, not too late to register if you want to join us in person or virtually. Who could you be surrounding yourself with? What's the community that you could get connected to continue that fire of your dream? Maybe there's a networking group. Maybe it's an industry group or organization, but where you can be together on an ongoing basis. So as the passion starts to wane, as the vision starts to fade, being in that community will help you to stay motivated and move forward. The other piece that can be really important to keep us motivated and connected to our dreams is celebrating the progress. It is very easy to get discouraged when we're not seeing progress, when we're not as far as we wanted to, when we're not really in the full physical manifestation of our vision. And so when you're in that gap, you're not seeing all of the results. Instead of that demotivating you, celebrating the successes, celebrating the evidence, celebrating the wins along the way will help to keep you motivated. Most of us have been trained in this beat ourselves up to take action rather than celebrating our progress and our wins along the way. As you start to celebrate, hey, I'm taking action. There's some evidence of things coming to fruition. I'm starting to feel better. And as you recognize and acknowledge the steps that you are taking, the wins that are happening, it will help keep you motivated to continue on with your dreams, with your vision. We're just a couple of weeks into the new year. Usually by week 3 or 4, most people have quit on their dreams. Life's gotten in the way. They've fallen back to their old patterns. Not you, not you. Get yourself inside of a room full of people, a community that can help you stay connected to your vision and keep celebrating the progress. And if you do that, those baby steps, that trajectory will take you into a whole new place by the end of this year. Again, I hope to see you at the Vision Workshop. It is a game changer as far as trajectory goes, getting you greater clarity on your vision, where you want to go, and really supplying you with the tools to make your dreams a reality. I hope to see you there. Here is to you living a life you love.